Hello, welcome back to Galvic's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about Nexus rules in Louisiana. So, if you're a business that sells to customers in Louisiana, then you may need to start collecting sales tax and remitting it to the state. And when do you know that you need to do that? This is going to be a guide to understand if you have a Nexus and when you need to start registering. So, let's get started. First thing, what is sales tax nexus? It is simply put a connection between the state and your business that obligates you in collecting sales tax from your customers and remitting it to the state. Now, this can be determined by two nexus types. One is physical nexus, second is economic nexus. So, if you have a physical presence in the state of Louisiana, which could be a business office, a warehouse, an inventory, or employees working even remotely, or if you have any temporary sales activities that you conduct in the state of Louisiana, then all of those things will trigger a physical nexus and you will be required to register for sales tax immediately. Now, if you do not have a physical presence, then your nexus will be determined by your economic activity, which is the number of transactions that your business is doing and the sales volume over a specific period of time. Now, for Louisiana, the economic nexus rules are there should be sales of $100,000 in the state of Louisiana for you to be considered for, economic nexus. So if you cross this threshold, then you will be obligated to start collecting sales tax and remitting it to the state. Now, the major confusion that a lot of businesses go through is what exactly counts towards this threshold. I'm going to answer this in three simple questions. First, are marketplace sales excluded from the economic threshold calculation? The answer for Louisiana is yes. In fact, they are excluded. So if you sell in marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Walmart Marketplace, or any other marketplaces, then those sales will not be counted for your threshold calculation. So any sales apart from that will be calculated for your economic threshold calculation. Now, we have two more questions. So, do you have wholesale or resale transactions being included in the economic threshold calculation? Again, for the state of Louisiana, they are excluded. So, they are not included for these calculations. Hence, again, you will remove these from the calculation to determine your nexus trigger. Now, the third and final question is, are non-taxable or exempt sales excluded from the economic threshold calculation? Again, in Louisiana, yes, in fact, they are excluded, but you may need to keep the documentation in hand for this and the previous question as well, so that you can show the exemption status to the state when needed. Now, after excluding these sales, if your sales exceeds $100,000, then you will be required to start registering for sales tax because you'll be considered eligible for economic nexus. Now, you will go on the LA remote sellers portal, which is the Louisiana remote sellers portal, to get yourself registered. Follow along our tutorial guides that help you understand how you can get your sales tax certificate. And if you need help with nexus tracking or registration or anything related to sales tax, then we are a sales tax compliance solution, Galvix, who are here to help you. You can check us out down below at galvix.com. And if you like this video, if it was helpful, let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions with reference to Louisiana sales tax or any other US sales tax, we'll be happy to help you. We'll see you again. Bye bye. Take care.